Data science is an emerging area which draws from machine learning, statistics, algorithms, and many other disciplines. It's vital for our understanding and use of data. A number of years back, with my theoretical computer science colleagues, John Hopcroft and Avram Blum, we decided to collect the foundations of this subject in a book. We have made the book freely downloadable, and it's being used both for classroom teaching as well as for research widely. Data is mostly presented as vectors with many, often thousands of components, which are called features. The conversion of data into vectors is domain-specific. Foundations of data science starts with data already rendered as vectors. It's crucial to understand the properties of high-dimensional space. Concepts we know from 2 and 3D, like volume, surface area, etc., carry over to high-dimensional space, but they behave quite differently. For starters, the volume of a sphere of radius 1 is negligible in high-dimensional space. High-dimensional geometry is the first chapter in our book. Probability and statistics play a big role in this. It's as if the dimensions act independently of each other and lead to what's akin to the law of large numbers in statistics. Linear algebra is a very important tool. In particular, what's called singular value decomposition, which helps identify the important dimensions of the data, is central to this subject. It also gets rid of noise in the unimportant dimensions, and for this reason it's used widely. Both possibilities apply in different contexts. The book presents standard models in case the data is structured, namely Markov chains, text data, as well as random graphs and the like. We also have to deal with data that's arbitrary and not structured. We present algorithmic techniques for handling massive streaming data. A very important part of the toolkit to deal with big data is sampling. A sample is smaller and more amenable to computation than all of the data. But uniform sampling does not always work. Some parts of the data may be more important than others. Sampling to stress the important parts is another part of the book. Data science will be central to computation in the coming future. We hope that this book will form an important resource for students and researchers.